Everyday Slim Wallet by Peak Design. This is really a slim wallet which can hold a very minimum number of cards. According to me, it can hold up to 4 cards without stuffing extra. The pull tab is very nice, it's very smooth. So I'm gonna keep all my 4 cards inside this wallet, and you can see how it can be pulled very easily from outside. This is everyday billfold wallet. That is more traditional wallet in a shape which is very thin and crusty again. It is a magnet closure and the top. It can also hold 4 cards at the max, but the advantage with this card is that you can also hold certain currency notes inside. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my wallet to fill up all my 4 cards. It fills up the 4 card very easily. Of course you can pull it more, somebody likes to pull it more, and I have seen the videos of somebody keeping it more wallets, more cards inside. Now other than that, I'm gonna put up certain currency which I am keeping. So I have got 5 currency notes which I am keeping it inside. This fills up my whole wallet, and there's the magnetic closure. This gives you a great flexibility if you really love to carry a regular. And here comes my favorite, the Peak Design Everyday Mobile Wallet. Now this is also pretty nice. I have got this in the sage color. According to me, it can hold up to 4 cards, but it is not very sturdy, so little flexibility is there. But any which way, once you keep inside all your 4 cards, it closes very nicely. It also has a magnetic closure, and you see it can simply attach to your mobile phone. Of course, the best part of this is that you can also hold certain few currencies and it gets attached to your mobile phone. Thus the mobile wallet I have been using for a pretty long time, so there's a little bit of scuffing which has happened from the side. So you can see I am putting it in a very extra zoom mode so you can see how it has evolved during the course of time. Now these 3, when we keep it on the table, these 3 works very nicely. There's a little bit of confusion which one to use, but generally I would prefer the first one, that is billfold wallet. This one is pretty slim, so I can carry it when I am traveling in the upper pocket. And the third one when I am carrying is a mobile wallet. Especially I love to carry the mobile wallet when I am in the hotels, where you have the hotel keys and certain currency note while you are going for a gym and outing and having lunch or dinner in the hotel. Thus this billfold wallet, which generally appears to be a regular wallet, the slim wallet is an upper pocket wallet according to me. And the third one which I have been talking and which I have been using pretty frequently is about the mobile wallet, which I have been using for a pretty long time. So it is very good companion on the flights also.